there to you. I hope you are doing well. Thanks again for watching and tuning in. I hope you are ready for the Mayanbula Pride, because that's what's up next. I'll see you on the video camera. Well, there's the good news, folks, for you that has wondered how the cubs of the Mayanbula Pride is doing. All 11 are intact with the females. I did hear that the males were trailing the pride yesterday, so the squirrel males did come back. And I can guarantee you the presence of the squirrel males that make those other boys, the two black tam males or the black tam and Monwana male, hesitate. They left the area. That's excellent news. And because of that incursion, the pride did move further north, crossing out of our general traverse. But yesterday we did hear over the radio that they are heading back south, southwest, or actually southeast. And they are currently hugging the Mashaton River, and they spent the day here. It's always a relief to see cubs that you saw growing up unscathed, especially with new nomadic males coming into the area, posing a great risk for youngsters like these. Very precious, tender moments. And of course, I have said this before, but the aloe grooming helps to remove parasites like ticks, and also reinforces the bond, especially between mother and young. Position a little bit. Always nice to get another perspective. Counted 5 lionesses in the area. Definitely that there's 3 senior lionesses and 2 of the younger females. We did get reports that another young lioness, Mayanbula lioness, that gave birth to new cubs. Probably about 500 to 600 meters to the south along this Mashatun River at the back. That's some more great news. So in about 6 to 7 weeks from now, guys, and you can count, there will be new little ones joining the pride. On the western side of the Mashatun River, a little bit to the further north of the original territory, or the core of their territory. The cubs staring towards ground lapwings calling in the background. Ground lapwings will make that sound if there's a jackal or a predator moving close by. See how instinct takes over the animals if they hear secondary disturbance like that. Here's some of the younger cubs playing with their older siblings. Looks like all five lionesses has moved down into the Mashatun River. There is a bit of water down there. So it's late afternoon in the Timbavati Game Reserve. You can see the beautiful pinkish hues of the afternoon. And in the front is Mr. Wati, Mr. Lawrence. Well, hello to you, sir.
Hello, sir.
Do you enjoy the lions?
Yes, I did.
Fabulous.
Yeah, that's nice and lovely and peace and happiness.
There we
awesome,
go.
huh?
Great Madiba imitation there. Well done, Mr. Wati.
Oh, thank you very much.
Sure. Cheers, Lawrence. Well, folks, it is about time for us to leave this precious sighting. And I'm so happy to be the bearer of good news. All 11 cubs are intact. and still healthy without injuries. And on that note, I'm coming to you from the Timbavati Game Reserve. This is Christof Schoeman. Until next time, stay safe and cheers for now.